Hello friends, in this short and basic video, we learn how to post a Twitter update when you update your WordPress blog or add a link with your chosen URL sorting service. So search this plugin WP to Twitter. It's mean WordPress to Twitter. So without using any third-party company in your WordPress website using this plugin, you can give your WordPress update and you can tweet your WordPress update very easily. Just search this plugin, install, and activate. So this is a short and basic video to learn and to know how to post a Twitter update when you update your WordPress blog. So give a try to this plugin. Hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching.